Good morning, children. Yes, in the last class I have explained you. In the last class I have explained you point, line segment. Yes, if we have one point, how many lines we can draw? We can draw infinite number of lines. Yes, all these are set of points lying down in a straight line are called as collinear points. Did I explain all this? You wrote no in the notes also. Intersecting lines, when two lines join at the same point, they are called as intersecting lines. Now I am going to explain you how are angles formed. Yes, how are angles formed? I am going to explain you how are angles formed. See children, come on, write as well as I am explaining also. Write the point in your class work. Open a fresh page, put today's date, day, and write the point. When like this star you put and write when two points meet at the same point, intersect, when two lines intersect, when two lines intersect means join, intersect. When two lines intersect, they form angles between them. They form angles between them. Yes, between them. See, now like this you draw. Use a scale to draw, children. Yes, this is an intersect point. A, B, C, D. Yes, here you see A, O, C. Here they form an angle. Here one angle, here one angle, here one angle. Yes, this angle point should be in the between. How should you write now? Yes, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. This is a symbol for angle. Angle ante itla pettali. Idi angle. Okay? 4 angles are formed. 4 angles are formed. How many angles are formed here, children? 4 angles are formed. What are there? A, O, C. Angle A, O, C. One more. C, O, B. Angle C, O, B. B, O, C, C, O, B. Same. Now, next one. B, O, D. See children, the main angle where it is joining, that should be in between only. O దగ్గర కదా అన్ని యాంగిల్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఆ O మధ్యలోనే ఉండాలి. DOA or AOD. Both are same. Now, parallel. Next point, parallel. Parallel. Parallel lines. Yes, children, what are parallel lines? What are parallel lines? When two lines on the same plane do not meet, even when extended, they are called parallel lines. When two lines on the same plane do not meet even when extended, are called parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay, children? Yes, see. Two lines of same, yes, like this. M, N, O, P. Yes, these two lines, మీరు ఎంత దూరంగా డ్రా చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళినా రెండు జాయిన్ అవుతాయా? Yes, they won't join. See, even though if you line ఇవి ఎంత దూరం మీరు ఇట్లా ఇట్లా డాట్స్ పెట్టుకుంటూ పోతే జాయిన్ అవుతాయా? అవ్వవు. ఇట్లా 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 ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసినా కూడా జాయిన్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవుతాయా? ఒకదాన్ని ఒకటి టచ్ అవుతాయా? కావు. అట్లాంటి లైన్స్ ఏమంటారు? पैरेलल लाइन्स. ऐसे लाइन्स को क्या बोलते हैं? पैरेलल लाइन्स. A B C D. These are parallel lines. So how you are going to write here? MN is parallel to MN. Line segment ML is parallel to OP. OP. The same way you write for this. AB is parallel to CD. Like this. Okay children, come on, write this too. After writing this too, I am going to explain you perpendicular lines. After writing this too, I am going to explain you perpendicular line. Now perpendiculars. Perpendicular. What is perpendicular line children? Perpendiculars. Perpendiculars ante enti? Come on, write. Perpendiculars. When two lines meet each other, they form angles between them. When two lines meet each other, when two lines meet each other, they form angles. Yes kada, ఇప్పటిదాకా చూసాం కదా, టూ లైన్స్ జాయిన్ అయితే టచ్ అయితే యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. yes, between them, angles between them, BETWEN, between them. Yes, when the angle so formed is equal to 90 degrees. We say the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay children, see, now I am going to explain you this. See, when two lines meet at a point, yes, meet at a point, E, F, G, H, yes, here them join. See, L shape ఎప్పుడు కూడా 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. Yes, this angle is 90 degrees. So GH is perpendicular to EF. Yes, GH is perpendicular to EF. Yes, see, now one more I'll say. PQR. Here we form 90 degrees angle. That is nothing but PQ is perpendicular to QR. Yes, how we are going to write this? PQ perpendicular ఒకటే arrow వస్తుంది. PQ is perpendicular to QR. Yes, now you see PQ is perpendicular to QR. You can even write QR arrow children, is perpendicular to PQ. PQ like this. Okay? అంటే 90 degrees angle. The L shape means every time L shape means 90 degrees. 90 degrees is right angle. Yes, now I am going to explain you right angles only, types of angles children. Yes, 90 degrees L shape ఉంటే అది 90 degrees angle. That is right angle. ఏం angle 90 degrees ఉంటే right angle. Okay, the measure of a right angle is 90 degrees. All right angles have same measures. Yes, all right angles have same measures. Angles are measured in, see, now you write angles, ANGLES, angles. Angles are measured in, angles are measured in degrees. 90 degrees. ఇట్లా స్మాల్ సర్కిల్ ఉంటుంది కదా, అది degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. That is nothing but a small circle. Up you have to put. Up. పైన ఇట్లా చిన్న circle. Okay? 90 degrees. How you wrote 90 degrees? Like that. Yes, okay children, tomorrow in the class I am going to explain you types of angles. What will I explain you? Types of angles. We have 6 types of angles. Yes, as well as have your protractor. I'll explain you how to measure an angle using a protractor. Yes, did you all follow? Thank you.